In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a reminder in Panda so you can keep your documents moving and make sure recipients don't miss important actions. Whether you're sending contracts for signing or proposals for approval, following up is essential, and PandaDoc makes it easy. Once you're logged into your account, your dashboard is your command center. It neatly displays all your current documents so you can see exactly what's pending. All you have to do is find the one that needs attention. When you open it, you will see the list of recipients, each one clearly marked. To send a reminder, simply hover over the recipient you want to nudge. This will reveal additional options, including the ability to send them a quick follow-up. PandaDoc gives you flexibility here. You can choose to send the reminder by email or text message, depending on what's most effective for your recipient. Picking the right method helps make sure they actually see it and take action. Once you've chosen your method, just hit send. The recipient will get a clear, professional notification reminding them of their pending task, keeping your document at the top of their to-do list. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've sent a reminder that helps keep your workflow on track, your deadlines in check, and your communication professional